So we're at the show. We finally made it right next to the FCP Euro vendor. And we're gonna put on the splitter because I like to do things at the show instead of before.
Yes!
Yeah, appreciate you grabbing all the tools.
Dude, I got you. I'm sorry I didn't bring the horses.
No, it's all good.
Damn, this is the cleanest splitter we've ever put on your car.
What time is it? Jesus Christ.
Oh, yeah.
8:23, people are starting to trickle in.
Don't you like my chain, man? Young Gucci Mane, and I'm popping off the chain, man. And my Jacob is so fruity. Call me Gucci Mane, or you call me Gucci Gucci.
So how long has this show been going on
again.
for?
This is year 16.
Year 7 at this field.
It's well established then.
It wasn't really ever nearly this big until like the past like 5 years or so.
I started when we first started here. That was my first year. And
Yeah, like I never.
First year was about 700 cars, and this year
I'm not following you.
This year, hopefully, we're at 2,000.
Best air, best static, best paint, custom, and trunk displays.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me, like,
Oh, welcome.
This is a media card.
I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new day. Fighting the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Cross close and could light this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
That's like super legal.
Wait to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Oh, like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again. Oh, my love, it's you and I. Cross close and could light this fire. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high. I've been feeling down.